Today I will solving a picoGym CTF challenge. It's under the category of web exploitation named WebDecode. After starting the instance, follow the link to the website, browse the home page, but nothing of interest could be seen. So we move to About page and it says there to inspect the page. Right-click on the web page and select the Inspect option. Upon inspecting the page's HTML code, we can find a section tag with attribute named Notify True, and the attribute's value looks like a possible base 64 encoded string, so I tried to decode the string using a tool called Hurl in Kali Linux. Hurl can be used to decode base 64 encoded string. If it is not installed, then you can use an online base 64 decoder as well. Now type the command as shown on screen with the encoded string obtained from the section tag's attribute of About page. Then here we get the challenge flag as output. Copy and submit the flag to close the instance running. Now you have solved the challenge.